Before calibration, securely fix the gravimetric blender. Ventilate and adjust air pressure. Power on and turn on the switch. Before starting the correction calibration, input the administrator password to log into the admin account. Check for foreign objects on the weighing pan and secure the pan in place. If there are foreign objects on the weighing pan, click on the Start button to empty the weighing pan. Return to the Settings page, enter the Weight Correction module, click the Correction button, and start the correction process. Place the standard weight calibration mass onto the clean weighing pan. After the measured actual weight stabilizes, input the weight of the calibration mass inside the weighing pan. Press and hold the correction button. When the actual weight matches the weight of the calibration mass, release the button. The system will automatically move to the next page. Remove the calibration mass from the weighing pan, press and hold the Tari button. Release the button when the actual weight shows 0. Finally, place the calibration mass back onto the weighing pan. If the measured actual weight matches the weight of the calibration mass, the calibration is complete. Note: if the final measured value has an error of more than 3 grams, the calibration should be redone. After completing the weight calibration, return to the Settings page and click on the Unit Testing module. Click the Test button to perform a unit test on Hopper 1. Click the blanking button to empty the weighing pan. Click on the next hopper and repeat the above steps to perform a unit test on Hopper 2. Click on the next hopper to perform a unit test on Hopper 3. Click on the next hopper to perform a unit test on Hopper 4. Unit testing is complete. Return to the Settings page. On the Configuration page, click the Recipes button. Start setting up the recipe. Choose materials for each hopper and set their corresponding proportion values. Set the recipe name and press the Save button. Go to the Recipes page and press Save again. Select the recipe and initiate the recipe call. Return to the configuration screen and check if the recipe names and values are consistent. Press the Start button, and the equipment will begin operation.